Today, I will be showing you how to list on Homes.com. First, make sure you are on the Homes.com homepage and logged into your account. On the homepage, move your mouse to the upper left side of the screen and hover over the Sell option. A drop-down menu will appear with different options available. From here, you can choose to work with a listing agent. Selecting this option allows you to connect with a professional agent who can help you list your property, manage pricing, and guide you through the selling process. Alternatively, you can choose the option to advertise with a listing boost. This option helps increase the visibility of your property by promoting your listing to more potential buyers on the platform. Once you select your preferred option, simply follow the on-screen instructions to provide the required details about your property, such as location, pricing, and listing preferences. Take your time reviewing your information to make sure everything is accurate before proceeding. And that is how to list on Homes.com. Thank you for watching.